Welcome back to another AMI Tech Talk. Today we're going to talk about general maintenance on the DSC. The advantage of the AMI DSC is that it's extremely simple to use and requires very little maintenance. The cell design is very robust and holds up very well for years of service. The cleaning, should you require the cleaning of the cell, it's usually caused by evolved gases that have collected inside the cell, or if somebody spills something in the cell. Usually if somebody spills something, it is still able to be cleaned. The easiest way to do that is just heat it up with no pan and no lid in it. Once it's heated, all that gets burnt off and you're able to just blow it out. If there is some residual left in, what we use is a fiber brush that we include with the unit to clean it. So in the few cases where you do need to clean the cell more than just blowing it out with some air, you can use a little bit of acetone to clean it or some similar solvent, but also we provide this cleaning brush. Once you've heated it up and done a bake out of it to burn off all the solids, if there's still solids there, you just take the cleaning brush and turn out a little bit so that it sticks out. You take it down here and you just scrub the surface down here with the cleaning brush to remove any residue. This will leave particles of the cleaning brush, but it'll also leave residue that you have scrubbed off. So then just take some canned air or a little bit of the compressed air and just blow out, and the cell is now clean and ready to use. What you'll want to do then is just take and run a calibrated sample through your temperature range to make sure that you can check that there are no events caused by any residual foreign substance on your cell plate, and the unit should be ready for use again.